Dani created a website for her business to tell people about herself, the services she offers, and the products she sells. Now, to attract visitors, drive conversions, and start upselling, she'll need the best marketing and communication solutions for her site. Wix Chat is already pre-installed, so she can connect with her visitors in real time. She wants them to feel engaged, even when she's not available, so she sets up this automated greeting to welcome visitors to her site. She also sets up more sophisticated automations, so while she's busy running workshops, her website can keep turning visitors into valuable leads. All she has to do is set the trigger, the action, and the timing. Dani's chosen email as her action here. All these professional email templates are designed to maximize conversions. Dani chooses the template that suits her needs, then uses drag and drop to add her text, images, and videos. Dani also wants to bring new visitors from social media, so right from her site dashboard, she customizes eye-catching social posts and shares them on her favorite social channels. Sometimes, Dani needs more than an image to promote her business, so with Wix Video Maker, she creates impressive promo videos and shares them directly to YouTube. For a wider reach, she takes advantage of Wix's seamless integration with Facebook and Google to create targeted ads and monitor how people interact with her site. This helps her make smart business decisions and optimize future marketing efforts. After seeing one of her video campaigns, Julie visits Dani's site for the first time. She receives the automated chat greeting that Dani set up. Then she contacts Dani to learn more about her services. Dani gets a notification on her phone and responds right away. She helps Julie book a workshop and then collects the info she needs to give Julie excellent customer service. Every conversation is automatically saved in Dani's inbox, and she can manage all of her contact info here too, adding notes and labels like this. After Julie's enjoyed her workshop, Dani sends her a professional invoice so she can pay in a click. Just like that, Julie's transitioned from a site visitor to a paying customer. And because she wants to boost retention, Dani uses this quick action keyboard to easily send Julie a discount coupon for her next booking. Now it's holiday season, and Dani wants to promote a seasonal sale, so she creates a professional email marketing campaign. Wix's email marketing solution is synced with Dani's contact list, so she can easily manage her mailing lists, targeting all her contacts or just a select group. Dani's now figured out what works best for her business, so she uses workflows to create her own personal sales funnel. She uses this flow to convert more site visitors like Julie into loyal, paying customers. Here she can track, manage, and automate each customer journey in one place. Ascend by Wix is your all-in-one business solution. With a suite of integrated tools, you can meet every business need right from your site dashboard.